Did you know? The Tunguska Catastrophe of 1908 is one of the most significant natural disasters in history, yet it remains shrouded in mystery. This massive explosion in Siberia flattened an astonishing 2,000 square kilometers of forest without leaving a crater, leading scientists to speculate that it was caused by a comet or asteroid impact. The event not only transformed the local ecosystem, but also heightened global awareness about the potential threats posed by space debris, influencing both scientific research and disaster preparedness efforts for years to come.